Alright guys, so this is how you clean up the water. You should do that about yearly or so in your garage water heater. So step number one is shut down this cold water here. I already did. Step number two, put this in pilot. Step number three, connect the hose. Step number four, grab a screwdriver, and then hopefully it's not going to be leaking. Let the stuff out. Need to go open it on the other side and let it out. So let's see. Not too bad. All right, next step, open up a hot faucet to get some air, help it go through. It's barely going. Looks like there was not much in there. And add some cold water to let it flush. All right, so I pour in some cold water and then flushing the whole system, but it looks pretty clean, so. All right, so after we're done, go ahead and shut this down. Nice and tight. And disconnect this. Put this to whatever you need to do. Probably somewhere up there. I'm not gonna do that right now. And then obviously add the water up there. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.